a traffic jam. I know it's a nice car and you want everybody to see it.
Oh, there you go.
This must be one of the rare and more unusual examples at this year's Classic Car Show. It's a 1981 DeLorean Time Machine. Now, only 8,500 of these ever got made. 250 of them are still in the country, and this is a very rare one indeed. It must be one of the best things ever to come out of Sheffield. I mean, why bother with stainless steel cutlery when you can have a stainless steel beauty like this?
Michael, the two-track that you finally managed to get off the transporter, technically not really a classic car, so why are you here?
Well, basically the Classic Car Show also covers the wartime Jeep in a way, and
Right.
I was asked to bring this vehicle along to sort of it ties up with the Jeep somewhat.
A bit of window dressing, as
Something
they
like that,
say.
yeah.